Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3151 for the 2020 Panini Elements. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, August 23rd, 2020. It is 11:18 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:18 p.m. Central Time, and 8:18 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Roth with 12 spots, Dustbar 3, Matt with 2, Dang 1, Cha 2, Manny 1, Robberman 1, Paw 5, E-Rock 1, Mod 2, CR Mag 1, C-Kid 1 spot. So now let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our teamer teams for the break. Roth on top, C-Kid on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Paw on top, Manny on the bottom. We have Paw with the Cardinals, Roth Falcons, Dustbar Ravens, Ma with the Bills, Cha Panthers, Roth Bears, Bengals Browns, Matt with the Cowboys Broncos, Paw Lions, Roth with the Packers Texans, Robberman with the Colts, Paw Jaguars, Roth Chiefs, Ma Raiders, Mag Chargers, Roth with the Rams, Cha Dolphins, Paw Vikings, Dustbar Patriots, Danger with the Saints. We have Dustbar with the Giants, Roth with the Jets, C-Kid Eagles, E-Rock Steelers, Roth 49ers, Seahawks, Buccaneers, Paw Titans, and last but not least, Manny has the Washington Redskins. All right, all 4 cards will ship. Good luck, everybody. There we are. Alright, so all 4 cards will ship. Good luck, everybody. Get some metal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first up, we have Kenny Galladay, Palladium, Detroit Lions, 2 of 46. Congrats, Detroit. And then we have Supercharged, 43 out of 199, Denzel Mims. Jersey for the New York Jets, Supercharged. Authentic memorabilia. So we have Detroit, New York Jets. We have the Jets again. We have Denzel Mims again. Rookie. Neon Signs Auto 9 out of 99. Well, congrats, Jets. What are the odds of that? Double dipping in 31-51. And they're both Denzel Mims. All right, so Lions, 2 Jets, and last but not least, we have for the LA Rams, we have Van Jefferson, rookie auto. There we go. Metal. And that is 162 out of 199. Very cool. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what team or teams here. Let's start with Mr. Jefferson. So the Rams going to RC Roth. Congrats. So then we have the Jets twice. We have the rookie neon sign. Mims, we have the supercharged as well. So both going to the Jets. Who has the New York Jets? RC Roth, congrats. And then last but not least, we have the Detroit Lions. Kenny Galladay. Detroit Lions going to Paw YW-69. And that was break 3151 for the 2020 Panini Elements. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spots, and then up next we'll have 31-25 and 31-55. Thanks.